In the cheerful town of Sunbeam Valley, where the school walls shimmered like rainbow crystals, lived a curious girl named Lila. Lila loved school, but sometimes she forgot that learning could be fun and magical. One bright morning, as she stepped into Harmony Elementary, she noticed a tiny golden note floating in the air. "Hello, Lila," it chimed. "I'm Melody, the musical note of joyful learning. Today, you'll discover that every school subject has a special tune. If you listen closely, learning becomes an adventure." Lila's eyes widened with excitement. A magical tune? For real? Melody giggled. "Follow me." First class math melody. In the maths room, numbers floated in the air like colourful bubbles. "Let's make a pattern song," said Melody. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands, tap your knees. 4, 5, 6. Jump around, mix the tricks. Suddenly, the numbers danced to a cheerful beat. Lila clapped, stomped and laughed as addition and subtraction turned into music. She realized that maths could be fun and rhythmic when you move with the numbers. Second class Science Symphony. Next, Lila followed Melody to the science lab. Test tubes bubbled with rainbow colors and tiny sparkles floated in the air. "Every experiment has a song," said Melody. "Pour a little here, stir a little there. Watch it fizz and pop in the air." Lila tapped on a glowing beaker and pop! A musical note floated out. She spun and danced, learning how science was like discovering the music of the world. Third class Reading Rhapsody. In the library, books hovered off the shelves and flipped their pages as if they were dancing. Melody whispered, "Listen closely. Every story has a rhythm." Lila opened a book about a dragon. "Once upon a time, roar," she read aloud. The words bounced, twirled, and created a gentle song. She realized that reading could be a magical performance, not just words on paper. Fourth class Art Aria. In the art room, paints flew like butterflies and brushes danced in mid-air. "Music is in your colors," Melody said. Lila painted a bright sun while humming a tune. Each stroke made a tiny melody. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!